Hey mate, I was just looking into your job post. Uh, Basically, I have worked with this solution previously. So now I'm going to show you the exact solution what you are looking for. So if you see, I open your this Excel file before photo this Excel file, and then what I have done. Here you can see I have a great tool, and it was created in my previous project. So here you can see it is saying based on which separator I need to split. So if I select in this area, and basically I will split based on comma, and then I will not equal to all. The reason is, if I see your the when it will be split, you no need to populate all the data in here. So for that reason, I am selecting this one. Now I will click this button, and you will see it will split, and it will insert the row in between all the name. So if I click on this button here, you can see this is a really very quick. So now if I open your this Excel file for matching, so your after Excel file is work open. So now if I reduce is zoom size, now you can see this is exactly matching with your before and after. So if you hire me immediately, I can give you the solution like within couple of hours, because I have already made the solution. So I can just attach and I can send you. I think it will not take more than 1 hour. So thank you so much